Hey YouTube, okay, I'm back here with another video and I'm going to do the taillight upgrade, the smoke taillights on this truck here. And I'll show you guys how we can, I think we got 2 bolts here, they're T15s, and these are the upgraded ones that we're going to go with. We're going to go in this one. So we'll take a look and get these 2 bolts off. 15 T20 come on T15. See, I've never installed these, and they look like right here. Pull them out. Come on. Damn it. It froze. There we go. A little dirty in there. It's the top one. Then we need to mount this somewhere. We can mount that right here. Now, dirt around these. And that's the middle one's the reverse. Yes. I think we're just popping this off, and you gotta find the black wire, and the black wire's gotta be in the same place as this. You can see there's a, come on, focus. There's a black wire there. And then in this top one, there's a black one. So make sure they're in the same place. We'll find out where to mount here in a minute. Come on. They're one way. Oh, reverse. And I think you just pop out the bulb in this one. You run that because you're not going to use it no more. God, this thing ain't here long enough. This out one will just sit in there, and then this one you pop it back in. Push the wires back in. And then this thing, we're gonna mount this to there. So I'll probably mount right here. So we could probably mount this to right here. A couple self tappers that they send you, so let me stick them self tappers in there and we'll be back with the video. Do it in the snow. So it's mounted just like that, and then we'll plug it in and see if it works. And that's how easy it is. Okay, everything looks like they work. Just unlocked it. So that looks really nice. So we'll do the same just like the other side, and then I'll do a video of both of them when I get them on. Okay. So I have both of them installed now. Let's see what they look like. I need one reverse light, as one of the reverse lights is out. That's what they look like. And this is what I bought them for. They're smoked. And I'll have another video. I'm going to end up doing the third brake light that goes up underneath the bumper there, and I'll show you guys how that install is. But it actually looks pretty good, and the install only took 10 minutes. Pretty simple. A little bit more black, but that's it. I'll bring you another video whenever I do the install, once all the snow quits. We got so much snow. I even got a truck bed load of snow. The banks are probably about 6-7 feet tall. Yep, that's it. This is with the third brake light up there, and these lights, the brakes pushed. Okay, let off, Jason. Turn on the blinker. Okay, that's it.